this video, I'm gonna be testing out Andrew Tate's The Real World, or previously known as Hustlers University. So if you've been living under a rock for the past 2-3 years and you don't know who Andrew Tate is somehow, he's one of the most famous people on earth, and he's also incredibly rich as well. He's got mansions, Bugattis, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, everything. So, and his net worth is estimated at around $350 million, which is insane. So when someone like him makes a school teaching you how to make money, regardless of what you think about the guy, it's a really good idea to test it out and see if you can actually make money with it. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So stick around to the end and let's get started with the video. All right, so The Real World actually teaches you multiple different skills. We're going to be focusing on dropshipping in this video. If you guys want me to test out different business models as well, just comment down below and I'll do it. And real quick, before we get started, if any of you are going to be starting a Shopify store and you want to follow along the challenge, you can use my affiliate link in the description to get 3 months for $1 per month. I don't know how much longer the deal is going to be available for, so do it now, secure 3 months for $1, and let's get started with the video. All right, so here we are on the landing page for The Real World, and as we can see, it used to be Hustlers University, now it's called The Real World, and they claim it's been a massive upgrade since then. It's got new apps, new lessons, private network, access to multimillionaires, etc. We can learn e-commerce, we can learn copywriting, stocks, freelancing, crypto, business, UGC, fitness, AI, and some other skills as well. So they cover the whole range of pretty much all business models out there. We've got a bunch of like student testimonials right here, and we get it all for just $49.99. So I'm gonna join real quick and I'll be back with you guys in a second. All right, I've filled out my info. I just need to click this button and we're in. So here we go. And we're in. We've got a welcome video here by Tate. I'm not gonna show the whole thing, but he basically welcomes us inside and gives us a bit of an intro on what it is. So let's click on next. We've got some rules, some final words, and we're in. All right, it's recommending us to start with the business mastery learning course, I guess, but we're just gonna skip this. We're gonna go straight into dropshipping because we don't have the time. And we're officially in. This is how the app looks, pretty similar to Discord. And I'm not gonna be able to show you guys too much so I don't get my video taken down, but this is the welcome message you get. We've got some announcements from Tate himself here, and we have victories from other students. So here we can see how other people are making money inside. We got people going to the gym, people showing off real cash, some more cash being shown around, more gym victories and stuff like that. So this is pretty good for motivation. And as we can see, this is all like from yesterday. So there's a lot of posts being posted right here. And now that I showed you guys around a little bit, we're going to go and pick the skills. So again, we can choose between copywriting, freelancing, e-commerce, stocks, crypto, fitness, DeFi and NFTs, crypto trading, and content creation. So as you already know, we're going to go straight for e-commerce, choose e-commerce, and we're in. All right, so now it's taking us to some courses. This is the guy teaching the e-commerce section of the course, and I unfortunately can't show you guys the course itself. If you want to watch it yourself, you're gonna have to join. But now I'm gonna go through all the lessons, and I'll be back with you guys once I'm done, and then we're gonna start the challenge. So see you guys soon. All right, so I'm done going through the course, and we're ready to get started. The first step after going through the course is product research. In the course, they gave me some product research criteria, which I don't know if I can show, so I'll keep that in consideration when searching for the next product. And let's go straight into finding the product. All right, so to find the product, I ended up using AutoDS, which is actually a fulfillment app, just like Oberlo used to be, where you can connect your store to AliExpress or to any other suppliers, and it makes it so you don't have to manually like put in all the customer info every single time. It just automatically fulfills the orders. But what's cool about this app is two things. They have a winning product section where you can actually search for products. They have a TikTok spy section right here where we can search for TikTok videos, TikTok ads, and find products to test. We also have filters we can use to search for products easier. And the coolest thing about this software is there's an option that you can click and it makes it so your orders are automatically fulfilled. All other fulfillment apps, you basically have to go in and manually fulfill each order. Here you can just turn the option on and all your orders are going to automatically be fulfilled. You don't even have to look at them. So that's the main reason I like AutoDS. Also, you guys can get a 30-day free trial if you use the link in the description. So if you are going to be using it, make sure you use the link. And now I'm just going to scroll through all these ads and the winning products section. And once I find something interesting, I'll be back with you guys. So see you guys soon. All right, guys, I'm back. And this is the product that we ended up going for. It's this mini printer that can print anything, anywhere. You can put it in your pocket, carry it with you, connect it to your app, and literally print any images, labels, notes, whatever you need. So I think it's a really good product. It solves a big issue for a lot of people, and it has a really big wow factor as well. So this is the product we're going to be going for. All right, so now that we have the product, we need to make a store for it. I just can't be bothered to do it myself. I'll just outsource it to Start Stores. If any of you guys don't know what Start Stores is, they're a service that does your store for you. You just pay them, you tell them what product you want, and they'll do everything for you. And if any of you guys want to order a store from them as well, you can use code Marco10 to save 10% off. So I'll order a store from them real quick, and I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So I just ordered the store, and now we need some ads for the product. So instead of doing it myself, I'm gonna go over to Viral Ecom Ads and just order from them. And Viral Ecom Ads is actually the official thing they recommend in the real world. So we're gonna be using them in this video, and I do actually use them myself quite a lot as well. So we're gonna go under video ads, we're gonna do video ad packages, and we're gonna go for the TikTok split testing package, which means we're gonna get 3 different ad variations for the same product. So I'll just quickly order this as well, and I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. By the way, I forgot to mention Viral Ecom Ads have a VIP membership program where you guys can pay like $50 bucks a month, and you literally get 75% off everything on their site. So instead of paying like 50 bucks per product test, you're literally going to be paying $12.50. So if any of you are going to be testing a lot of products, it's a really good idea to get this. I don't know how this is profitable for them, because literally if you order like 2 testing packages a month, they're already losing money on you, but it is what it is. But we're not here to worry about them. If you guys want to save some money, I'd highly recommend you join this, because if you're going to be testing any more than 2 products per month, it's a no-brainer. And you guys can also save 15% off by using the code Marco15 at checkout. And let's go back to the video. Now that we ordered everything, we're going to have to wait a few days for it to get delivered. So I'll be back with you guys in a couple of days and we'll go over everything. So see you guys soon. All right, it's been a couple of days. We got everything delivered. We got the store done. We got the ads. So now it's time to check it all out and to launch the ads on TikTok. So let's go over the store first. So Star Stores sent me this store. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I just gave them the product and they did everything else. The design looks really, really nice. It looks really branded. The logo is nice. We got some custom photos, stuff like that. So I think they did a really good job with this one. We have some FAQs and then a footer, and that's basically it for the homepage. And then when we click on shop, it's going to take us to the product page, and here we can see what the product page looks like. So we got 2 different color options. We have some announcements at the top as well, and then we have a pretty good product description. Again, it looks really branded, which I really like. We have some custom photos here once again, some benefits. We have a timer right here, which I might remove, I'm not too sure yet. And then we have a footer at the bottom. So overall, really good product page, really good homepage. I'm very happy with what we got. And when it comes to the ads, Virally Come Ads did an amazing job. I'll have the ads playing on the screen so you guys can see them. But yeah, they also did a really good job with the ads, so I'm very happy with what we got there as well. And now that we have the ads and the store done, the only thing left now is to launch the ads. So let's go over to TikTok and let's launch the ads. All right, so I went through the strategy in the course, and it's basically the same strategy that I use with very minor differences. So if you guys are familiar with my previous challenges, it's very similar, but we're gonna go for website conversions. We're not gonna do any of these. For the campaign name, we're just gonna do the product name, and we're not gonna do any of these either. And now we're gonna click continue. Here on the ad group name, we're just gonna do no interests 1. We're gonna select the pixel, and optimization event, we're gonna go for complete payment. Then for placements, we're gonna go for select placement, and we're just gonna do TikTok. For the targeting, we're gonna do custom targeting. We're gonna do US only, all languages, all genders in this case, and we're gonna do 18 and up. So we're basically skipping kids that don't have a credit card, or maybe they like steal their parents' credit card and order from us, and then we get a bunch of refunds, so we're skipping them. Spending power, we're gonna do all. Household income, all. Audience, we're not gonna do any audience targeting. We're just gonna leave it all empty. Interest behavior, same thing. Device, again, all devices, all connection types. No targeting expansion. And now at the budget level, if you guys watch my videos, you know I normally do like 20.77, but in the course he said 20, so we're gonna do 20. And normally I would schedule the ads so they start running at midnight, but since we're targeting the US, at the time of me launching, it's very early in the morning there, so I'm just gonna leave it all day. We're not gonna do day parting either. And for the bidding, we're gonna do lowest cost, and we're just gonna click on next. And here we are on the ad levels. So for the ad name, I'm just gonna do ad 1, just so we know which one's which. Then for the custom identity, I already made one, so we're gonna have pocket print right there. Now we need to upload a video, so I'm gonna upload the video we got from Virally Come Ads. Let's click on upload. There it is. For the ad text, we're gonna do something really simple. Print anywhere, anytime. Keep in mind, the ad text is not that important. No one really pays much attention to it. It doesn't really make a major difference. The really important thing is just the ad itself. Then we're gonna customize the call to action. We're gonna click edit, and then we're gonna do standard, and we're gonna go for shop now. The URL, I'm gonna put the website URL right here. We're gonna check this box. We're gonna agree with like the terms and everything right here. And that's it for the ad setup. Now we're gonna duplicate the ad that we have, and we're gonna change out the video. So we're gonna click on update from computer. And now that I uploaded the other ad, I'm just gonna click upload as well. All right, so now we have 2 different ads. I'm just gonna do one more. And there we go. Now we have all 3 different ads uploaded. So now we're just gonna click submit. All right, and the ad is actually live. So now I'm just gonna copy it, and I'm gonna do 2 copies of it. I'm gonna name them no interest 2 and no interest 3, and I'm gonna click copy, and we're gonna keep everything the same. We're gonna click continue to ads, and we're just gonna publish them. So the ads are now all live. We have 3 different ad sets spending $20 per day. One thing I forgot to do was rename the ads, so now they're all called ad 1, but it doesn't really matter. I'll just leave it as it is. And yeah, now we're gonna wait for the ads to spend, and I'll check back with you guys after we hopefully get some sales, or if not, I'll still update you guys with the results. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. And we're back. The ads have officially been running for 24 hours, and now we're gonna go in, check out the results, and see what happened. So let's go straight into TikTok and let's see what happened. All right, so this is the campaign. We ended up spending $100 in total, as you can see right here. The CPC was $1.67. We got 60 clicks, a 0.79% CTR, which is not that good. It means that people were not that interested in the product, and it didn't end up tracking any sales, so it looks like we got 0 sales on TikTok. But let's actually go over to Shopify and let's see what happened. So here we are on Shopify. I'm actually filming this a few days later, but we actually did end up getting a sale, and we just sold 1 piece for $40. So TikTok calc is wrong, the tracking is not perfect, sometimes it misses an order, but we ended up getting one sale for $100 and we ended up making $40 back. But let's actually see what we profited. So when we go over to the profit loss sheet, by the way, the ads didn't properly start spending on the first day, so we ended up actually running it for 2 days, but I put it all under 1 day just to make it easier. So we ended up getting one sale. Our total revenue was $39.99. Our total product cost was $14.14, and our total ad spend was exactly $100, which leaves us with a profit margin of minus $76. So we ended up losing money day one, and because the metrics were not that good, I ended up cutting the product here and not letting it run anymore. In the real world, they said let the product spend $100 before making any decisions. I ended up spending $100 exactly, and based on the results, this product is not looking promising. And that is the realistic thing about dropshipping. Not all products you test are going to work out. Some of them are just going to be unprofitable and you're just going to cut them day one. So in conclusion, what are my opinions on the real world? I actually think it's an incredible program for only like $50 a month. The amount of value you're getting is insane, and you're not just getting like the dropshipping thing, you're also getting a bunch of other programs, so it's definitely worth the money. Of course, I didn't end up making a bunch of money day one. Sometimes you just test the product and it doesn't work out. To give it a proper test would need to do like a 7 or 14 day challenge or something like that. So if you guys want me to do that, comment down below, let me know you want to see that. All the services I use are going to be in the description as well, and if any of you are starting a new Shopify store, I'll leave a link for a free trial in the description as well. My Instagram is @ecommarco if any of you guys want to follow me there, and that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.